Welcome back everyone. In today's video, I'll be showing everyone my entire collection. That's right, my entire collection of Imaginext Batman robots and Batman vehicles. These are just the beginning of a huge collection. So we'll start out with these and I'll keep adding to them. And we might need another table or to at least stack a bunch of vehicles on each other on this table. Most of these robots and vehicles, I won't go into full detail of what they do. That'll be a different video, but I do want to show some of them because they're just so awesome. And check out this transforming Batmobile. So I just turned it on. And check that out, it transforms. That is awesome. We also have 3 of these, 2 of the same, and we have the black and red version also. This is a transforming Batbot. We also have 2 of these Batman command centers. They do transform. Unfortunately, it's out of batteries, so we're just going to get a quick visual look at it. And this launches too, which is really cool. And back in the corner is that black and red transforming Batbot. Let's keep moving around. We're going to definitely add a lot more Batman vehicles and robots. We have a Batman robot back there, transforming Batmobile, a Batman submarine. Check out these 2 Batman Batbot Extremes. These are awesome and they're super tall. You can see how tall they are compared to the other vehicles. This is the black and red version. And this is the blue and yellow version with some black on it also. And we also have this Batman robots transforming also. We also have these 3 robots. They are very similar, just different color variations. And we can press this button for lights and sounds. Open it up for Batman inside. Projectile launcher on the left hand. This is for all of these projectile launchers on the left hand. We have this grabbing mechanical claw on the right hand. Next up, we have some vehicles from the Battek Batman line. So how you can tell it's Battek Batman is it has this turquoise color to it with the black, and sometimes there'll be some gray in there too. So let's keep setting these down. More from the Battek Batman collection. That's cool how those transform. Here's this awesome tank. This Batcycle is awesome. And we have a Batcopter. Here's another Battek Batmobile, and this is the largest of all of the Battek Batmobiles, and probably one of my favorites. Has the lights and sounds. This lights up on the back of the seat and that can actually light up through the Batman figure. Check out this cycle. So this has Robin colors on it, but it has the Batman wheels on it. So what we're going to do is we're going to include this in a Robin collection. We'll give Robin a vehicle. He doesn't have many, so we won't include this, but we will include a bunch of other Imaginext Batcycles or Batcycle types. So this is a Batcycle. These are all really cool. And actually, you know what? This one, now that I looked at the other side, it belongs to Two-Face. So this is the Two-Face cycle. So we will not include that, but we'll include this. This came in a Batman set. There's lots of different cycles. This is really cool too. Batman has a little bit of everything. This is a Batman ATV, and there's this tow rope that we can connect onto something so it can tow something, or kind of a capture rope depending on how you want to use it. And we have another one. This is a little bit different color pattern to it, similar design. Another transforming cycle. So this one transforms like this. Whoa, and there goes the yellow disc that just launched out. I was not expecting that. Still had that in place. So that looks really cool. To save room, let's put this back together, set it down. I believe this came with the Teen Titans line, and it's missing a wheel, but anyway, there it is. It's Imaginext and it's Batman, so we're going to include it in the set. We have this moon rover, and inside Batman can go in space or on the moon and roll on it. Check out this Batman chopper. So this is the blue version, and it has this rescue hook that can go down and then comes back up automatically, so it can lift the figure it's rescuing. And we also have the blue version of it, and it does have wheels so it can roll. And Batman can go right front and center so he can operate or fly the helicopter. Here's another ATV. It looks like it's exactly the same as the other one. So we do have some doubles, as you can see, because they came with different figures, different sets. Sometimes I got the doubles for that reason, and also because sometimes I think they're really cool, so it'd be nice to have two of them. And that's the case for the Batbot Extreme, the transforming Batbot. And these are some more cycles we're looking at. This is cool. This is a unique yellow wheel batcycle. So that looks really neat. And we have the turquoise Bat-Tech Batman design. And we have the gray wheels also. Check out this mech crawler. This is something you don't see very often. It looks really neat. I like the black with the blue, and it has this yellow cover that goes down. Batman can sit inside. And it has this machine gun blaster. Here it is, everyone. This is table 1, and we are going to need a second table, so I'll get started on that in just a little bit, but let's definitely check out all these Batman vehicles, motorcycles, robots, the whole collection, because there's a lot of it. I was thinking about stacking the rest on top of each other, but that just won't look so cool for display purposes, so we'll definitely get another table going and check out the entire collection. So again, this is table 1, and there's a lot more to come. The table has been cleared, and we are going to finish this Batman collection, and I am super excited. Next up, we have this awesome Batmobile, and it's the Ninja style Batmobile. Wings can come out, and check that out. It starts gliding once these wings come out. So that's really cool. It has the launcher here. We can get those wings to open and close. And there's a ton of armor on this. I mean, look at how durable and strong this looks. That looks cool. So we're going to fold that up, and we're going to put it back there. And we're going to keep checking out Batman vehicles, robots, and all of it today. So this one, I think the batteries are probably out on this one also. Yep, they are. So normally this would turn on, and we tilt this to either direction, and it starts rolling on its own, which is really cool. And we also have this Batmobile. This is one of the first Imaginext Batmobiles, so a lot of history here. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I really appreciate it. And give this video a thumbs up. Here's two more Batmobiles that look just like that other one we just checked out. And you can see the engine or motor is kind of shifting back and forth as we roll this along. There's some cool stickers on there that already came with it on there. Check this out. We have another color variation of the other Batmobile that we checked out a bit ago. So this one has more black to it. Let's see if it rolls. Okay, it doesn't. So what it does is it gets a couple little movements like that and shifts, and then it just starts rolling normally. But again, when I go into further detail of each of these vehicles, if I decide to do that in a different video, we'll cover all the details. I'll get new batteries and all these. Check out this robot. This is a really cool Batman robot. And this design has been around for a while. They're using this for several years. And then they more recently went to the other style that I showed earlier in the video. But this is really cool. I like the capture claw, how it works like that. These are actually interchangeable capture claws, so we can pull this off and we can use it on different robots. And we can also do the same on this side. So we can switch them out on either side, which is really cool. There's a projectile that usually comes in there. And some of these even have lights and sounds. This one doesn't, but it's the same design as a lot of the other robots, and it does roll pretty well too. Check out this Batwing. This is awesome. And doesn't it look fast? It looks like it would just fly like super fast. So that's cool. We can push this in and you can see the inner Batwing design. That way when it's open like that, can get better maneuverability. And of course, Batman goes right inside. And we also have this other Batwing. This is a much bigger Batwing, which is really cool. And check that out. Let's try that again. So really cool Batwing action motion like that. That is really cool. And there's the bottom of it. Let's set this over here. We have two more Batwings we're going to add to the collection. So these two are older than these two. These two are newer Batwings, and these are older. That's really cool. And to launch the disc, I believe we just press down right there. Looks like the disc is not in there. And we have this one. So that's really cool too. Batman just goes inside. Let's set that over there. Let's keep it in the sky with two more Batcopters or helicopters. So we can do the capture. So what happens is there's a figure on the ground. It can capture whoever it is or whatever it wants to, or it can pick up whatever it wants to with that, and Batman goes in there. This is really cool too. This one doesn't have that where these move, but it still looks really cool. It's a unique, cool design. I really like that. And check out this. This is another unique Batmobile. It's a design that I did not see used again. Sometimes the designs are used more than once, but this one, just this one time, I believe. Okay, so there's an escape door on the bottom for Batman to get out, which is really cool. And these wheels can pop back up into driving mode, or can go back into flying mode. And when it's in its flying mode, these rocket jets will propel this. So that's really cool. Wow. This is a lot of fun going through all these. Let's put this over here with the rest of the Batmobiles. And we have, let's check out this Batman robot next. This is another unique Batman robot. We can press here for the light. And again, the light would shine through the Batman figure to light up that figure through the chest armor. So that's cool. And also this glider. It's a bat glider. Let's see if this could connect onto there somehow. But yeah, that's really cool. So we have the Batman robot and the bat glider. We have two other Batmobiles, and these look very similar, just different color patterns. So that's what I mean with taking the same design, but just maybe a different color pattern to it, or using it for a different figure. But these are both for Batman. So we have one with more blue on it, the other is more black. They both have yellow. Here's the black and yellow version. We also have this cycle. So this is a Batman Beyond cycle. It's worth showing. I'm not going to include it in this collection because it would be, yeah, the only Batman Beyond that has that Batman Beyond logo. So we're gonna wait on this and maybe do a separate collection video for that. But I thought it was really cool to show everyone. And we have another Bat cycle. This is the blue or black and white version. Let's keep sticking with Batmobiles, or should we call this a Bat car? Oh, this is cool. This is like a Batmobile or Bat tumbler. That is awesome. Let's put that right here. We'll have to push the Batwing back a little bit. And we have this Batmobile also. This is cool. in that corner. Here we go, the Batman ATV. We have two of them, the blue and the black version. We'll check out the black version first. And I like how all the doors can open. It's a two-door, and this is probably the coolest part about it. It comes with this capture cage, which we can leave on there, or we can take it off to have more room. So that is really cool. I also like this part about it. We can press this button, and this launches, and we can easily put it back. If we want to wind it up a bit, we can just roll that. And we have the blue version, same functions to it. We can move this power pad to move this and press the button again for it to launch. Again, same or similar capture cage. And let's put these two over on this corner. There's more, everyone. There's a Batman boat. Yes, Batman actually has his own boat. This is the Batboat. And it looks like he can tow something with that. And we also have the Slammers line. So this is the vehicle that came with Batman and the Slammers line. And it looks like something was left in there. That didn't come with it though. So we have the gray with blue. We also have the blue with black. And all three of these are from the Slammers vehicles. We have the gray with black. So all three of these variations. And check this out. Yes, this is Imaginext, and it's a vehicle. Well, it will be soon. So we're going to transform this into a vehicle. That is cool. It's like a mini vehicle for Batman. That's awesome. Here's another six-wheeler Batman Command Center. And this is huge. And this is our most recent addition to the Batman vehicles. Right now we're watching it transform. And let's watch it transform back. Here's a much smaller six-wheeler, and this was also used for the Penguins vehicle and a Beach Cruiser set vehicle, but this is the Batman version. And it does have the six wheels, just like our other Batman Command Center. Check it out, two more Batwings, actually three more. Let's check out these first. This is a double of the one we checked out a little bit ago. Has the blue handle. This is the variation to it that has the gray handle. And this Batwing goes with a Batcave set. We have some more empty space over here, so we'll add this Batmobile. And we also have some gliders. We'll include those. Another Batcycle. Here's another Batman helicopter. It's similar to the other one, but this one has more black on it. It has the black cover to it as opposed to blue. We'll put this over here. And check this out. This is really neat. It transforms into a Batman boat. Let's try that again. So we just open up the front and it's a Batman boat. We'll put that in the very front. That's really cool. Another Batman glider. And we also have this Toys R Us exclusive Batman robot. This is one of the earlier first designs of a Batman robot. We just finished Table 2, and we've also finished the entire Imaginext Batman collection with Batman robots and vehicles. Let's take a closer look at all of these. And now let's take a look again at Table 1. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll see you next time.